Hey everyone, I am back with another video and today we will be taking an in-depth look at one of the products Samsung unveiled during the Unpacked event on 20th February, the Galaxy Fold, which in my opinion was the biggest highlight of the event. After many years of research and development, Samsung finally did it. Samsung Galaxy Fold is a phone which unfolds to form a tablet and folds back to again turn into a phone. This folding mechanism is achieved by using OLED displays which have the ability to bend themselves. To further enhance this folding mechanism, Samsung is taking help of a metal hinge in between of the two parts of the phone. Now talking about the display or you call displays, there is a 4.6-inch display when folded into a phone and a 7.3-inch display when you unfold it into a tablet. There will also be 512 gig storage as well as 12 GB of RAM. This RAM will be complemented by a Qualcomm 7nm octa-core processor. There are also two batteries separated by the fold, giving a total capacity of 4380 mAh. Now speaking of the cameras, there are three cameras on the back of the device which could be used in photo mode as well as tablet mode with dual front cameras alongside a cover camera. Now talking about the software, Samsung is using a feature called App Continuity to adjust an app when you move from phone mode to tablet mode or vice versa. With all these features comes a price tag of $2,000, which in my opinion will be the only factor stopping people from buying this device. So guys, that is it. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, so please like and subscribe and follow us on Twitter and Instagram, and the details are in the description.